Hello, this is Jamie with Creations Misfit, and today I'm going to show you how to make a double crochet chainless foundation. So you're going to do this if you have to chain up a bunch of chains, like say if you're starting a blanket and you have to chain 150 and then go back in and have double crochet across every single chain. This just eliminates that chain to begin with, so it saves you a lot of time and it looks really clean. So what you'll need is whatever yarn you're using, whatever hook. I'm using a size 6mm hook and Paint Box Simply Chunky yarn today, but it works with anything. So to start out, we are going to make a slip knot, and then you're going to chain up 4, and this will count as your first double crochet, your chain 4. Okay, so to make the next stitch, we're going to yarn over and we're going to go into the bottom of that first chain that we made, but you want to kind of turn it to the side because we're going to go through the bottom part and also the back loop. Like there's that little back hump. We're going to go through both of those pieces. Yarn over and pull up a loop. And then you can kind of grab this part on the bottom now, because you're kind of working like upside down a little bit. And then yarn over and pull through 1. You'll have 3 loops on your hook. And then you finish your double crochet like this. Yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2 like you would for a normal double crochet. And now we have 2 double crochet. So we're kind of working in the bottom portion of it, but when we turn it, this will be our top. So to do the next stitch, you yarn over and we're going to go into the bottom of that last stitch that we did. And you want to go through both loops on the bottom there. Yarn over and pull up a loop. Yarn over and go through 1. And then finish your double crochet like you would. Yarn over and go through 2. Yarn over and go through 2. Okay? And then you can see we have 1, 2, 3 double crochets so far. So yarn over and go underneath the last stitch that we made. Make sure you go through both pieces. Pull up a loop. Yarn over and go through 1. Yarn over and go through 2. Yarn over and go through 2. And once you get going, it gets a lot easier. I know it's a little frustrating when you first start because you're trying to find the pieces to go through, but once you keep going, it is a lot easier. It takes up a lot less time than having to chain a whole foundation and then go and double crochet after that. And it looks a lot cleaner on the bottom. So you can see here is your top. So it looks like just regular stitches. And here's your bottom, which looks much nicer than just a regular chain. And then when you're ready to do your next round, you'll just chain up 2 or whatever they have you do, and you'll turn your work, and you'll just go into the stitches like normal. If you had to do double crochets across, you'll just go into the stitches like normal. And this will be your bottom, but you won't have chains. You'll have actual nice clean stitches. So I hope this was helpful. Please let me know if you were helped by this. I also am doing a single crochet and half double crochet version today, so I will put those links in the description box below as well. If you'd like to follow me on Instagram and TikTok, I am at Creations Misfit, and please check out my channel. Subscribe if you would like the video. I would appreciate that. I have a lot of pattern tutorials and stitch videos and yarn videos and some giveaways every so often, so I appreciate you being here. Thank you so much and have a great day.